Okay, question 3. Now, the first thing that stands out about this question is it says you will be assessed on the quality of your written communication in this question. What this means is of these 6 marks, there will be 2 given for your written communication. So that's how well you lay out your example, explain the steps of your working, and if you use correct mathematical notation like the pound symbol and the equal sign. You don't have to write a full paragraph for this, but it's important that what you've done is very clear. So the question is, a window cleaner takes 15 minutes to clean each window in a large building. He uses the following formula when asking for payment in his work. The payment is equal to £8 multiplied by the number of hours worked plus a call-out charge. Calculate the payment for cleaning 20 windows when the call-out charge is £12. Okay, so we want to calculate the payment. This is what we need to find out. To do that, we need to do £8 multiplied by the numbers of hours worked. We need to know that information. And the call-out charge. We know the call-out charge is £12. So we need to work out the number of hours worked. So I'm going to put that here, so I'm labelling what I'm doing clearly to get those written communication marks. So we know it takes 15 minutes per window, and there are 20 windows. So if it's 15 for each, 4 windows would take us 1 hour. There's 4 lots of 15 minutes. Is quarter of an hour, 1 hour. So 4 windows is 1 hour. We've got 5 lots of 4 windows there, so it's going to be 5 hours. And then we just put that information into our formula. £8 multiplied by 5 hours plus the call-out charge of £12. Okay, 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, and we're adding 12. So our final answer is £52. Notice I've put my pound sign there really clearly. I could make this answer even better by making sure I show what I've done there. So I got my 5 hours by working out 20 lots of 15 minutes. So I've answered the question clearly. I've made sure I've used my units of measurement in my answer, so that would get me those 2 marks there. Right, now try a similar question. Pause the video and have a try of this. Press play when you're ready to see a solution. Okay, so this question, it has 2 parts. It's very similar to the previous. It says the formula for finding the value of any term in a sequence is 7 multiplied by the number of the term, and then you add 4. Okay, so we need to find the value of the term when the number of the term is that 9. That means we're just going to swap the number of the term for the number 9. So value of the term equals 7 multiplied by 9, add 4. Now if you remember, we always do multiplication before addition. So 7 multiplied by 9, 7 lots of 9 is 63, add on 4, so the value of the 9th term in the sequence is going to be 63 add 4, which is 67. Part B states find the number of the term when the value of the term is 88. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the equation again. So value of the term is equal to 7 multiplied by the number of the term running out of space, add 4, okay? And I'm going to swap in what I know. Now I know that the value of the term is 88. So 88 equals 7 multiplied by the number of the term. That's actually what we're trying to find out. So I'm just going to put number of term here, add 4. So in a sense, we know the answer and we want to know what we're putting in to get to the answer. So we've got to work backwards. So if we think about what I would have done, I would have put the number of the term in, then I would have multiplied by 7, and then I would have added 4 at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4 because I'm working backwards. So 88 subtract 4 is going to give me the answer to 7 multiplied by the number of the term. Okay, 88 subtract 4 is 84. So 7 multiplied by the number of the term gives me the answer 84. So I've got to think to myself, what number multiplied by 7 gives me the answer 84, which I could work out by doing 84 divided by 7. Okay, 84 divided by 7 is 12. So this, the number of the term, must be equal to 12.